family, welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Honey, I have just a little haul. I wanted to show you all what your sis picked up. You know, not big. I've said this before. I'm trying to trickle on down or trying to be mindful of the collection that I do have with Bath & Body Works and Victoria's Secret. And sometimes we go down the rabbit hole.
And I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
We come up with a lot of fragrances and body care. But all that to say, honey, I did a little damage, not much. And I did trickle on down to Vicky. Okay, so we went to Victoria's Secret and Bath & Body Works. So let me show you what your sis got first from Bath & Body Works. All right. So I was able to get the Sea Salt Coast. And this has your salty air, it has your water lotus, and it has sandalwood shores. All right, and so I love an aquatic type of scent. I don't know if anyone else does. I love a good little bit of a salt note also with the aquatic scent. So this was definitely intriguing to me, and so I wanted to pick this up. And when I say it has delivered, so it gives you this pink lotus type of floral note. This is actually really pretty. It does give you this feminine scent, salty and aquatic all at the same time. So if you're looking for a more floral, aquatic type of scent for the spring summer, I would say this does lean spring summer. We're definitely getting out of that winter fragrance, right, from Bath & Body Works and Victoria's Secret. They in their tropical line now. Okay, so this does give you those vibes. I would highly recommend. I do enjoy this. This is really good. Okay, and then I picked up the ever so popular the Sweetheart Cherry. All right, and so this has your wild cherry, your crushed pistachio. Okay, so it has a little bit of a nutty scent, and whipped vanilla. Okay, so it has your cherry, a little bit of a nutty vanilla flair. So this definitely was Miss Popular Girl. I've heard this from quite a few creators here on YouTube. Oh my gosh. All right, and I see why. This is really good. And to me, this gives me a very dark cherry. All right, I don't know if anybody else gets the real dark cherry. I do smell the vanilla. I do smell the nuttiness. This is amazing. Wow, I do enjoy this. This is very pretty. So if you're looking for a cherry fragrance, look no further. Trickle on down to Bath & Body Works and hook yourself up. So this is really beautiful. I would love, like, if you have Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, you have Kayali's Love Fest. If you have any cherry, you have any cherry fragrances, cherry chocolate from Venom of Love, you know, a cherry chocolate fragrance, this would pair very well with all of those fragrances. Yes. Okay, so I see why the girlies were talking about that. Definitely a must get. All right. Then I have Water Lily Springs. Okay, and so this has your Dewy Kiss Lilies, crisp water, and clean musk. So you all know I've been into my musk era. I don't know if this is going to do it for me because of the floral, you know. Ooh. Wow, yes. Wow, yes. Oh, this is pretty. Water Lily Springs. This is beautiful. So if you're looking for that dewy, I mean, I would even say, like, if this had pear in it, I wouldn't call you a liar. I would actually say, yeah, you're right, because to me, it gives me like a dewy pear, watery. Oh my gosh, this is very beautiful. wow, this is definitely going to be one of my favorites. It definitely gives you this fresh, kind of like a rain type of scent, like a very fresh. So after the rain pours down and you're kind of left with this like crisp, dewy in the air type of scent, this gives you that. This is very pretty. Great for the spring, great for vacation, traveling. If you have any upcoming travel, vacation type of tropical vibes, this is great for that. I absolutely enjoyed this. Wow, okay. I mean, I didn't know it was going to be like this. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, from my Bath & Body Works part of it, I have Calypso Clementine. Now, I will say, my sister was scared. I wasn't about to pick this up. I don't even know why I picked this up. But we have Juicy Clementine, we have Neroli Nectar, and Coastal Woods, okay? So to me, without smelling this, I'm thinking this is going to be like a woody, citrus, orangey type of scent. And you all know, like, citrus does not always do me justice. You know, like, I know people love that Tangerine Boy fragrance that was out. No ma'am, no Pam. That did not work for me. I don't know why. I hate that it didn't work for me, but it did not do what it was doing for my other sisters out there. Like, I was kind of upset. I felt like I was lonely on the ship somewhere. I was like, well, why not me? Why not my skin? What's wrong with my skin? But my little rant. No, but this is definitely orange, okay? I'm getting your Clementine, yes. I don't know about this. This is definitely orange.
What?
You like say that again, orange.
What? 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 What?
But it, this is like the juice orange, like the orange juice. I mean, it's not terrible. Okay, let's start there. Okay, positives. It's not terrible. But did it give me the same effect that this Water Lily Springs gave me? No, it did not. But I could see pairing this with some of my citrus fragrance. So I'm not going to say this is an absolute no, because it does give me a little bit of a sweetness in this. So I'm not so off-put about this. But when I first smell this, it gives me a linear orange. Okay, it's like orange juice to be exact. Very sun-kissed. You know, Sunny, is it Sunny Delight? I think that's what that fake orange juice is called. Sunny Delight. It gives me Sunny D. It gives me Sunny D. It doesn't give me Sun Kiss like the orange soda. It doesn't give me orange soda, but it gives me that fake orange juice Sunny D. And if you like that, I'm sorry, okay? But I'm going to still, because it's my mouth, and I'm going to say, you know, how I feel. I feel like Sunny D is fake orange juice.
It's a fake.
If you don't agree with me, that's fine. If you think it's real, you know, to each its own. It's fake to me. But this is okay. I'm not mad at it. So I'm not going to take it back. I probably wouldn't take it back even if I didn't like it. I'd probably re-gift it, you know. But this is not bad. So it's all right. I'm going to have to play with this more, let you all know my thoughts coming back. But if you love a good orange type of orange juice type of Sunny D type of scent, this is going to be what you want. This is going to be right up your alley. We just know, like, body sprays, just in general, you have to spray yourself down, okay, in order to smell it. So don't think you're going to be doing 1, 2, and you're going to be able to smell it, and the world's going to be able to smell your fragrance. That's not how this works. It's alcohol in here. It's water. It's not going to project like you want it to. However, ... if you overspray, you put an oil base on your, you know, body sprays with a perfume, it's going to come together for you, sis. I promise. It's going to still do justice. I just don't know about this one. Okay, moving on. Next up, I have Vicky. Okay, we got some Victoria's Secret up in here. I will say, what stopped me in my tracks, and I said I have to get it. I have to get it now. I don't know why people aren't talking about this. Was this pineapple Shea scent? Has anybody talked about this? I'm sure they have. This is the Glow, and this is the creamy body wash. I smelled this. Oh my goodness. This pineapple, and it made me get the body spray. The pineapple in this? Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It's such a juicy pineapple. It's very much, to me, oh my gosh, it's like a pineapple, and it almost has a little bit of a coconut flair in it. Oh, it is so beautiful. I'm sorry. It is so pretty. I would highly recommend, if you like a good pineapple, okay? If you like a good pineapple scent and you're looking for something that like is like a pineapple but also a coconut type of flair, this is so pretty, sis. Trust me. And a sis had to get the body wash. I've never tried their Shea Butter body wash. I don't know anything quite about this, but I'm excited. This is a beautiful scent. I would highly recommend. Okay, look at my eyes. I would highly recommend you get this, especially if you want to pair this with, you know, a pineapple fragrance, anything that you have, you know, La Marca Gel, when y'all bring that out, I mean, put this with it. You know, I'm going to put this with it. Maybe it will, you know, be a little bit better for me with the La Marca Gel. You know how I feel about it. But I mean, I'm excited. This is so good. So I would highly recommend. I have not heard the girlies talk about this. So I had to pick this up. And then they were having a 5 for $40. So I got to pick up 3 other scents. So let's get into those. So I picked up this bright Mariposa, I believe, apricot fragrance. So this has your silky mariposa flower fluttered with violet and juicy apricot. And mariposa, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but it means butterfly, right? And so I love this scent. It definitely gives you apricot, gives you this very floral, fruity, brightening type of fragrance. This is beautiful. Like, when I'm telling you, for the spring, summer, OMG. This is one to have if you're looking for a floral, fruity fragrance. I mean, this is so good. And it's prominent, right? Like, that apricot just sits in your face and like, here I am. Like, it just tells you I am here. You smell me. And I know you smell me. Ooh, this means what it says, and it says it, the doing and done. This is so good. I absolutely love this. So I picked that one up. Also, I picked up this Shimmering Shores, all right? And this has your coconut sand and driftwood. So I love, you all know, I love a good coconut scent. Now, if it smells like a coconut shaving, like a shaves of a coconut, I'm not really a fan, but like a coconut creamy type of coconut smell, I love it. And this is what that gave me. It gave me, ooh, so good. It gave me this coconut woody type of smell. When I tell you, if you have Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, it gave me those vibes. It gave me a creamy coconut woody type of scent. It is beautiful. I cannot wait. I can actually use this now in the winter time, throughout the spring, this is like a year-round type of scent to me. I am going to absolutely douse myself with this. This is so good. Highly would recommend you get this. Again, this is the Shimmering Shores. If you have a vacation, this is like a luxe vacation. I can see you on some sandy white beaches with this. I can see you on a yacht with this. I can see you on a cruise ship. bespoke, whatever. Like, this is definitely summer vibes. This is vacation vibes. This is so luxe and luxury. Yacht and more, okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least in my haul, I have the Lush Orchid Amber, okay? And I didn't get this just because it has my name in it. You all know how I am. I do get stuff because it has my name in it. You know, my name is, it's a jewel. So, people say Amber a lot because it's a note. But, oh my goodness. Let me tell you, you all know probably one of the things that pulled me in, you already know, you already said it. So this has rich orchid petals pulsed with amber and fresh hair. You all knew it. It has pear in it, and maybe that is why I'm so in love with it, but it is so good. So it gives you this warm amber flair with this orchid, so you have a floral note in it, but it also gives you this pear, okay? So warm amber, orchid, and pear, floral, fruity, and warm. This is so good. Oh my goodness, I had to pick this up. Now I could see some people like, oh, it's a little bit too green for me, sis. It's just a little bit too green. I could see some people thinking that, but honey, this is the right type of green, right type of pear, and right type of amber, okay? I'm all aboard on this one. So good, all right? Moving on. Well, that is all. That's all, family, for my Bath & Body Works and Victoria's Secret haul, okay? Have you recently purchased anything from Bath & Body Works or Victoria's Secret? I would love to know what you have picked up. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to meet you and know you, family. Make sure that you give me the thumbs up so other people can view this channel and can get me out there, okay? Share me. Sharing is caring. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.